Hello, good afternoon, Littlesilver family. Today we are running. We are taking a stroll at the Dubai Miracle Garden, and it's beautiful. Has beautiful flowers. Hey, you.
Hi guys.
So this is Marina, as you saw her from the Valentine's video, and yeah, we're here doing it again. And I hope you keep subscribing. Let's enjoy the beautiful views we'll be sharing with you from the Miracle Gardens. So the ticket costs 55 dirhams, and you can either get it online or you can get it at the entrance at the gate when you come in. Okay.
Took some time, but we pointed out that tomorrow isn't here right now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around, captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. We get up and go, baby. The way they think is paradoxical. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go.
The bus from the Miracle Garden back to the Mall of Emirates is in every 20 minutes, and so you wait at near the gate. Gate number 2. Yeah, so this is the bus stop. So you just wait here, and voila, you can go back and continue with your life.